and hello, I'm Donna Rosa. I'll show you today how to work the tubular bind-off. It's the matching bind-off technique to the tubular cast-on technique. So it produces the same edge as a tubular cast-on. It's perfect for fingerless mitts, and how does it work? I'll show you now. To work the tubular bind-off, you need additional tools to do it. Next to your knitting needles to knit anyway, you need an additional knitting needle, preferably in the same size or smaller. You need a tapestry needle, could be very blunt, and a scissor. But you need that anyway for any bind-off. So to begin with, you do knit the knit stitches and slip with yarn in front the purl stitches. And you do that for 4 rows. So I slip the purl stitch with the yarn in front and knit the knit stitch. Slip it with the yarn in front and knit. And this is how it looks like after 4 rows of knit the knit stitch and slip the purl stitch. Now we're gonna separate the knit stitch from the purl stitch, and for that I need the additional needle. So I will hold the 2 needles in the right hand. I put the purl stitch on the back needle and the knit stitch on the front needle. So in my case the first stitch is a purl stitch, so I put it on the back needle. And then I put the knit stitch on the front needle, then on the back needle, the knit stitch on the front needle, and so on. After I spread the stitches on 2 needles, it looks like this. As we slipped the purl stitches and the knit stitches over 4 rows, they not attached to each other, the right side and the wrong side, so it looks like this. What we're going to do now, we're going to graft the stitches together, as also known as the Kitchener stitch. And you're going to cut the yarn 3 times wide, long as the knitted piece is wide. And I did that already, just a little bit more than 3. I will use the tapestry needle, and now we start to do the Kitchener stitch. I will start on the front side. I insert the tapestry needle from right to left, and then the backhand needle from left to right. So that's just the start, and now I come from left to right into front needle, slip the stitch off the needle and insert the tapestry needle from right to left and pull the thread through. Now we go to the back needle, coming from right to left, slip it off the needle, and then from the left to the right. So we switch to the front needle, from the left to the right, and the right to the left. Make sure you don't pull too tight, because otherwise it looks very dense and it's not stretchy anymore, because that's a big advantage of this bind off. We go to the back, from right to the left and left to the right. Front from left to the right and right to the left. Now it's the last stitch. I don't have anything here, and I'm coming from the top. And to sew in the end, you can hide it in the tube, and now it produces a very stretchy cast. We have a cast on stitch, the tubular cast on, and this the tubular bind off. So it looks the same. So this is how you work the tubular bind off. If you like this video, so please give me a thumb up. And if you want to hear or watch more knitting tutorials, make sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel and follow me on Instagram. Have a nice day. Bye!